Yo, what's up, it's your boy C here, back with another video, another installment, another episode in the series, bro. It's good to see you. I'm glad that you are here chilling, enjoying your time. So this last video you already saw, we saw some cool stuff in Marseille, bro. It honestly was so gorgeous. Like the calanques was ridiculous. It was honestly kind of like awe-inspiring to be there. Like it was just so big, you know. It was yeah, pause, bro. Like, and then the graffiti street, bro. Like I know I told you it was known for the graffiti, but there's so much graffiti. It was insane, bro. It was insane. So this next episode, we're gonna be heading on down to Geneva, Switzerland. Obligatory call me when you get lost.
We just landed in Geneva.
And we're gonna arrive there during the middle of an annual festival. So stay tuned for that, bro. It's pretty sick. Sit back, relax, get you a snack. And as always, bro, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, bro. I'm like, it's the one thing. Share it with your friends. Hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting, because you do not want to miss another episode, bro. I promise you. And while you're there, go ahead and leave a like. Without further ado, bro, let's get into the video. Good morning. We're leaving France, going up to Switzerland, Geneva, Switzerland. One of our tickets to Milan got canceled. Like apparently there's like a strike or some shit happened with the train place. Out of my control completely. I mean I can't plan for that, you know. Never showed y'all the train station. This is the train station in Marseille. Kind of cool. Headed to our train. It's on platform G. G as in Juliet, I was told. I don't think we really spelled Juliet like that over here. This is K. Hold on. Alright, so the footage you're seeing in the background right now is stuff I took on the train ride from Marseille up to Geneva, but I figured I'd just go over the trip real quick, just like a recap. So obviously the first place we started was Dallas, Texas, because that's where we're from. So we flew out of Dallas and we went over to London, and unfortunately because of the strikes going on at the time, which we couldn't plan for, obviously, there was a cancellation, so we had to stay there an extra day, which was not planned, but it is what it is. After that, we took another flight down to Palma de Mallorca in Spain, which I've never been to an island, so really cool being on the island. Next, took a flight from that island over to Madrid in the central mainland, I guess, of Spain. Then we took a train ride over to Barcelona. It looks like a long train ride. It actually was not that long. At least it didn't feel like that long. Then we took a flight from Barcelona up to Marseille. We could have taken a train, but it would have taken a really long time, which we didn't want to do. The train that we're taking right now is taking us from Marseille, France, to, right now, Lyon, and then from Lyon to Geneva. We're in Lyon. Had to switch trains. We're going to Geneva, Switzerland, I told you. Cool train station though, we're on this little bridge thing. We're in Geneva, bro. About to get to our hotel. Oh my god, you smell that? Oh yeah, just because of that, I'm ready to eat. Oh, we haven't eaten today, huh? Oh yeah, we about to eat crazy, bro. We got food at some place called the Coop's Kitchen, and it was expensive as so we paid $50 USD for the food we just ate. I forgot to show it. It was pretty good though. We had egg rolls, some like chicken stir fry with rice, some ravioli and french fries, and just a couple of waters. All right, so we took the right train going the wrong direction.
Bus.
Oh yeah, sorry. We took the right bus going the wrong direction. So now we're outside waiting for the right direction bus that's going the right direction. Could have said that better. It is quite cold. I don't even know if it's cold. I think it's just windy. It's pretty windy.
It's just windy.
Clock. See, as you can see, the time is oh, maybe it's not calibrated right.
Right now?
Good morning, it's breakfast. I look crusty because I am crusty at the moment. So I got some food.
He's crusty here.
Oh, we got a hash brown in there. Same thing, pretty much. They have honeycomb on the table instead of just like a honey bottle or, you know, whatever other dispenser's method of dispensing honey there might be. Also have a pancake maker. Why not a waffle maker? Why pancakes? Update, it's amazing. Here's a little live demonstration. I didn't see a skate park. Check this out. You got a skate park. I was actually hitting that this morning. I was shredding the gnar and my shredding. So we are out today. We didn't really do too much yesterday. We kind of just chilled inside. It's our vacation, bro. Let us vacate how we vacate, bro. You feel me? We're going to get some food, potentially, hopefully, some chocolate, definitely. Sightsee, definitely. Going to downtown Switzerland, Geneva, definitely. There you go. Apparently it's Ascension Day, which is... This Ascension thing's like a whole like event. They have this whole section of the city sectioned off. Got like food and drinks and like music and live music and stuff. Bro, they got like roller skating parties. They got live music. They have the biggest drone show in Europe. I'm just really good at planning out trips and whatnot, right, baby?
Whatever.
That's all it is. I don't know if it's not a once in a lifetime, but it could be once in a lifetime. If you haven't seen it before, it is until your second the once in a lifetime event. So enjoy it, bro. Yeah, mate, this hole's massive, mate. This street is massive, mate. All right, we are at the liquor store getting some alcohol for this adventure here. Oh, baby. All right, we got the instead of buying one big bottle, we bought a bunch of mini little shots. So we got 10 of them. Then we're gonna go and take them in the photo booth because we don't want to go back to the hotel right now. So I'm not really too sure on the legality of that. That's illegal. I didn't say that. We didn't do that. It was just a thought that crossed my head.
This is indeed hitting, bro. That sucks so bad. I'm sweating.
What, four of those 50 ml things deep? I don't know how many milliliters are in a shot, to be completely honest with you. So however many shots that is, that's where we're at right now. It's getting colder, so I'm glad that I layered up preemptively. And what's up, bro? We're gonna go ahead and try to find a little spot on the bridge, maybe get some food before it starts so we have a little snack or something. The drone show, here I'll show y'all. I don't know if y'all can see, but in the distance, those flashing blue lights, that's what the drone show is gonna be at. So we have this whole area to try to find a good spot to watch it from. We'll get the best view, bro. Don't worry, y'all got the front row seat. If you ain't in Geneva right now, which if you are, I mean, what a coincidence. But if you aren't, bro, you're about to be in Geneva for a little bit, bro. So just sit tight, don't let the bed bugs bite. You feel me? We'll be right back. The screen's a little dark, relax, bro. It's 9:15, it's finna be 10. The show starts at 10, we got 15 minutes. All right, bro, you saw it first, the drone show. Very, what's the word, bro? What's the word? They do like abstract, it's very abstract. I'm not really sure what they were saying in it, but it looked really cool. It looked nuts, honestly. Morelli's in the bathroom right now, right here. I'm about to go. Look at that spaceship bathroom, bro. I'm gonna go in there. Look at all these people, bro. Just flooding the street. RIP the bus line, bro. I don't know how we finna get home. Honest to God, though, bro. Look at all these people, bro. I don't know how we finna, bro. I don't even know if the bus line's running right now, bro. Like, there's not enough space for the bus to be on the street. We are not close to home, bro. Oh, nah, bro. Whipping, bro. We'll figure it out, bro. I guess. Let's go. Chaos, bro. Chaos, bro. These buses is full. People don't know what to do. Really, right here,
we spread out so we can get the best chance to get on this bus, bro. I don't know, bro. It's looking kind of rough. It is looking kind of rough, bro. Okay, hold on. I gotta get on this bus. Oh my gosh. I split the pole, bro. But my baby came in and rescued me. She went back for me. At long last, we're back to the room. What a night, bro. What a night. I'm telling you, bro. If you just put that energy in, bro, you do your best, bro, things just line up, bro. I promise you. Get the deals, get the savings, get the trip ideas, get the transportation, all that good stuff, bro. I got y'all. If y'all need help planning a trip, y'all want to go somewhere, you don't want to spend a bunch of money, I got y'all. Hit me up, DM me, hit me up, whatever, bro. Anyways, last video tonight. Hope you had a good day. Take it easy. See you tomorrow. Bye, bro. Bye, bro. What are you here for, bro?